From here you cannot see the snake. When you come this side, you see the snake. So guys, I've come here to the location. This is Nagnalli, which is outskirts of Mysore. You can see the entire area, it's outskirts. We have a paddy field and all. Namaskar Anna. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ ಗೊತ್ತು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಕೋಬ್ರಾ ಹಿಯರ್. There it is. It's a big one. It's a big one. And it has taken the shelter here. See, from here you cannot see the snake. When you come this side, you see the snake. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ?
ನಾನು ಸರ್.
ಆಚೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತ? ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತ?
ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಲೋ.
ಹಾ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದ?
ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲೋ. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋದು.
ಓಕೆ
ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೇಘನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. ಮೇಘನ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಡಿಯಪ್ಪ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ
ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನದು ಯೂರಿನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಮೇಘನ.
ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಗೆ ತಿರುಗತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹೋಯ್ತಾನೆ ಒಳಕ್ಕೆ. ಈಗ ಬಂದ ಹಿಡಿತಾರೆ ಈಗ.
And this is called as Nagdalli. Nagdalli alva?
ನಾಗನಹಳ್ಳಿ.
ಇದು Nagdalli. So this is the sapling where they put for to avoid snakes. And if they have a belief that if they plant this, the snakes won't be coming into this area. But the irony is the snake has taken a shelter or taken a refuge just next to this plant here. So that's nature, and snakes do not have any repellent. There it is. So the snake is back in nature, and it was a very crazy race. But when I searched on Google, that plant is used for skin antiseptic and also insect repellent. But snakes have no any repellent or any method that planting that will avoid snakes. So it's just a myth. So that's it for today, guys. And if you guys like the video, like the content, then do follow me and share it with your friends and family, and put your thoughts in the comment section about this plant. And see you guys in the next coming videos.